Hello friend, this is Arindam. Welcome to our YouTube channel Learning and Creativity. Today's topic is list of festivals in India. First of all, what is festival? A festival is an event ordinarily celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristic aspect of that community and its religion or cultures. Now, we will discuss the list of festival state-wise. So before begin to the festival list, please subscribe my channel and watching the video till end. First state is Andhra Pradesh. Famous festival of Andhra Pradesh is Brahmotsavam. What is Brahmotsavam? Brahmotsavam is a festival celebrated at Sri Venkateswara temple in Tirupati. You know, Tirupati is a famous temple in Andhra Pradesh. Another festival is Bhisma Ekadasi, Deccan festival, Sankranti, Tyagaraja festival. So Andhra Pradesh famous festival is Brahmotsavam, Bhisma Ekadasi, Deccan festival, Sankranti and Tyagaraja festival. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. So here is a picture of Brahmotsavam festival. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh famous festival is Losar festival. Losar is a Tibetan New Year marked with ancient ceremonies which represent the struggle between good and evil. Losar is a Tibetan New Year festival which is a significance of good and evils. Beside Losar festival, the famous festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Chalu Loku and Pongtu. Chalu Loku Pongtu Losar festival is famous festival of Arunachal Pradesh. You can see this is a picture of Losar festival. Next, Assam. Assam is famous for Bihu, the spring festival of Bohag Bihu or Rongli Bihu, which marks the onset of new agriculture cycle. Beside Bohag Bihu, there are another famous festival Magh or Vogli Bihu. Next is Bihar, Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja is worship of sun god. Bihar is famous for Chhat Puja. Next, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh have two famous festivals, Bastar Dussehra and Maghi Purnima. Bastar Dussehra is the longest Dussehra celebration in the world, is celebrated in Bastar. Next, Goa. Seaside state, Goa. Famous festival is Carnival, Sigmo Mela, Sunburn Festival. Goa famous festival is Carnival, Sigmo Mela and Sunburn Festival. Next is Gujarat. Gujarat is famous for Janmashtami, birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Next is Diwali, festival of light. Festival marks the beginning of the new year. Navratri and Kutch Ran festival. So Gujarat is famous for Janmashtami, Diwali, Navratra, Kutch Ran festival. Next is Haryana. Haryana is famous for Guga Nauni, Surjkund Mela and Vaisakhi. Guga Naumi is a worship of snake worship festival. This is a picture of Guga Naumi. Next is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is famous for Mahashivratri, Gochi festival and Rakha Dumni. Mahashivratri, Gochi festival and Rakha Dumni is famous for Himachal Pradesh. Next, Jammu Kashmir. Now there is two separate states, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So famous festival for both Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh is Eid-ul Fitr, Eid-ul Adha and Bahu Mela. Eid-ul Fitr and Eid-ul Adha is a Muslim festival, but Bahu Mela is celebrated for Hindu people. It is a biannual festival held at the Kali temple in Bahu Fort. Chari Urs Har Navami is also celebrated in Jammu Kashmir. Eid-ul Fitr marks the end of fasting month of Ramzan. Eid-ul Fitr is a famous festival of Muslim community, marks the end of fasting month of Ramzan. Next, Jharkhand. Jharkhand is famous festival for Holi, festival of color. And next is Karam festival, Holi and Karam festival. Karnataka, Karnataka is famous for Makar Sankramana, Mysore Dasera. Mysore is a district or place of Karnataka. So Mysore Dasera is famous festival, and Gomatasara Bahubali at Sarvamangala is a famous festival, right? And one famous festival, Mahasakta Viseka, held once every 12 years. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is famous for Khajuraho temple. So Khajuraho dance festival is a famous in Madhya Pradesh. Beside Khajuraho dance festival, Diwali and Lokrang festival. Most of the iconic dance festival of Madhya Pradesh, which signifies the existing legacy of its dance. Madhya Pradesh famous for Khajuraho dance festival, Diwali and Lokrang festival. Next, Kerala. Kerala, the city of God, famous for Onam. The festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali. Beside Onam, the Puram and Vishu is famous festival. Remember, Onam and Vishu, very tricky question, asked in bank, most of the bank and SSC and railway exams, right? So Onam and Vishu celebrated in Kerala. Meghalaya, Nongkrem dance festival. In Meghalaya, there is a famous tribe, Khasi tribe. So Khasi dance festival is Nongkrem dance festival. Mizoram, Chapcharkut festival marks the clearing and raiding of hill slopes for jhum or shifting cultivation. You know, in hilly area there is a famous cultivation type. It is jhum. They make a slope for cultivating paddy, wheat, and different vegetables. So this is a crop festival, one type of, right? Next, Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for Lord Ganesha. So Ganesh Chaturthi, Nag Panchami, Navratri, and Maharashtra New Year, Gudi Padwa. Manipur, Yksnag. The main highlight of the festival is the Thabal Chonga dance. Thabal is a tribal of Manipur. Thabal Chonga dance is the main festival. The name of the festival is Yosnag. Next, Orissa. Orissa, when you thought about Orissa, we thought about Puri and Konark temple. So Rath Jatra is famous festival for Puri Jagannath temple, also in Orissa. And Rajprabha Konark festival, Akshay Tritiya. So Rath Jatra, Raja Parva, Akshay Tritiya, Konark festival are famous for Orissa. Next, Nagaland, Hornbill festival. Hornbill festival is famous for Nagaland. And another is the Sekreni. Sekreni is another festival. I will inform some of the characteristic of Hornbill festival. You know, Hornbill is a bird. It's a very colorful bird. So to remember this special bird, they celebrated Hornbill festival. Hornbill is a basically Naga heritage festival. Punjab, Lori. It is celebrated on every 13th of January before Makar Sankranti. Lori is a Punjab festival. Baisakhi marks the time for the harvest of Rabi crops. Traditional folk dance, Bhangra and Gidha are performed by men and women to the beat of dhol. So Baisakhi is a crop festival and Lori is a New Year festival. Beside Lori and Baisakhi, there is a Guru Parab and Bandi Chhor Divas is a famous for Punjab. Next, Rajasthan, famous for Gangur festival, Tej, Puskar fair, Urs at Ajmer. There are four famous festivals: Gangur festival, Tej, Puskar fair, Urs at Ajmer. This is a picture of Gangur festival. Sikkim is also famous for Losar. Can you remember which state is famous for Losar festival? Yes, you are right. Arunachal Pradesh. This is a Tibetan New Year. So basically, if you remember the map, Arunachal Pradesh and so Both, if you remember the map, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh is the hilly area of Himalaya. So they are, and border of Tibet and China also. So they are celebrating the same festival, Losar. Beside Losar, there are another festival in Sikkim is Saga Dawa. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for Pongal, Jallikattu, Panguni Uthiram, and Puthandu. Tamil Nadu New Year is Puthandu. So very tricky question. Pongal. Pongal is famous for Tamil Nadu, not Andhra Pradesh. Most of the SSC and bank exam asks Pongal is a famous festival for. There are two options, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. But don't forget, Pongal is famous for Tamil Nadu, right? Next, Telangana. Telangana is Bonalu. The word Bonalu came from Vojonalu. Vojan means food, which is offered to the goddess during festival time. So Bonalu and Vathukama is famous festival for Telangana. So Telangana famous festival is Bonalu and Vathukama. Tamil Nadu famous festival is Pongal, Jallikattu, Puthandu and Tyagaraja Aradhana. Tyagaraja Aradhana. Okay. Next, Tripura. Tripura is famous for Tripureshwari temple. So obviously Tripureshwari temple festival is one of the best festival in Tripura. Beside this, apart from Tripureshwari temple festival, there is Karchi Puja. Next is West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for Durga Puja and Navabarsha. Durga Puja and Navabarsha. Uttaranchal. Uttaranchal is famous for Ganga Dasera and Purna Kumbh Mela. Ganga Dasera and Purna Kumbh Mela. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh have more various festival. First one is Navratri. Second is Ram Navami. Third is Brahmotsav. Fourth, Kangska Mela. Fifth, Shravan Festival. Sixth, Ram Leela. And seventh, Ganga Mahotsav. So Uttar Pradesh is famous for 7 festivals: Navratri, Ram Navami, Brahmotsav, Kangska Mela, Shravan Festival, Ram Leela, Ganga Mahotsav. Now we have completed the state-wise festival. Now we will learn some New Year festival name. Just like Gudi Padwa is famous for Maharashtra, Samvatsar Padvo is famous for Goa New Year festival, Navabarsha is famous for West Bengal, Puthandu Tamil Nadu New Year, Vishu Kerala New Year, and Chaitra Sudha Padmini Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka New Year. Chaitra Sudha Padami is famous for Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka New Year. Popular harvesting festival. Beside New Year festival, there are also harvesting festivals. Some of these already we have learned, but I have jotted down this list, so I will teach this thing. North India, Makar Sankranti. Baisakhi is famous for Punjab and Haryana harvesting festival. Ladakh harvest festival, also celebrated in Ladakh, Kargil. Lori is a harvest festival celebrated in Punjab. Northeast India, Vogli Bihu. Vogli Bihu is famous for Assam. Wangala, Meghalaya and Assam. Ka Pomlam Nongkrem. Nongkrem is a famous festival for Meghalaya. Next, popular harvest festival of East and West India. Noakhi, Orissa. Gudi Padwa, Maharashtra. Navanno, West Bengal. South Indian famous New Year festival is Onam, Kerala. Pongal, Tamil Nadu, again Pongal. Ugadi, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Vishu, Kerala and Karnataka. Thank you friend. Thank you watching my video. Thanks a lot.